Hello, Central Oklahoma Sales and Marketing Council. Meredith Oliver here, and I am so excited to be coming to speak to your SMC this August 28th. We are going to have a very special educational session, and I'm bringing to you a program called Fantastic Selling. What rockstar, top-performing, quota-busting salespeople have in common and how you can be one too. So we're going to focus specifically on how salespeople can use technology to sell more homes, generate more leads, build a better sphere of influence. Everything from how you use social media to your CRM to apps, but most importantly, how you use interactive technology like touchscreens, kiosks, tablets, oh my, to create a wow sales presentation. So if you have some of this interactive technology in your sales office and you want to know how to use it more effectively, more dynamically, and what to do when it fails, I've got the message for you. So I will see you August 28th. Get registered today. See you soon.